Hello my people, now good morning. Oh, I greet you now for the time we una see the viewers. I beg for those of una wey dey outside country, I beg thank you very much for the time viewing. I beg like this, so we dey Agbado market of Apapa Road. We want tell una how they say they sell their own price of gas, pots, kitchen accessories. I beg if na the first time wey you dey watch us from, please try when you subscribe and follow us. So like this, so we wan enter inside market to find out the price. We na from Edo State Market blog. Please try and subscribe. Thank you. And na price matter we dey talk about. Thank you. So we dey go inside market now. Make dem for tell us how they say they sell their own kitchen accessories. Thanks for watching. Hello. Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
How market now?
Fine, welcome.
How much do they sell your gas?
Which one?
This one, so this one, so.
This is 7.5. We'll sell it 14,000, 14,500, as the case may be.
And the last price be that?
And that is the last price.
Okay, what about this one? That's it the same?
All of them are the same.
Okay, everything here now the same thing.
Except that one, that red one.
That red one, how much?
12.5.
How much?
You can get that one at least 30,000.
Which one be foreign? Which one be Nigerian?
Okay, all these ones now are foreign. Okay. So these ones are Belgian. So this one you can get the one of 19,000, 95. Yeah, yes. This one is 20. 20,000. Yeah, the same thing with this. This 15 kg. Then that other one there.
15 kg.
No, this one is 12.5. Why that purple? That one is 10. It's 10 kg, but it's foreign. So the price is different from all this one. Then why this one is 25 kg? The bigger one is 25 kg. So that one you can get it at least, let me say 31, 32,000.
Okay, what about that small one?
That one is 5 kg. Yes, the same thing with all this one.
Okay, should that one be foreign?
Yeah, that one is foreign. The same thing with all this one.
Okay, that one is Nigerian.
No, this is foreign. Nigerian one is the one they wrap with paper over there.
Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay, this is Nigeria.
Yes, all this one they wrap. This one is 3. This is 5. Why this one is 10? Then this is 12.5.
This one is 3.
Yes. This one
yes.
4,000.
What about the other one?
The other one 6.5.
How many kgs is that?
This is 5. Why all these ones are foreign? As you can see, their shape are not the same.
Okay. This one is 3 kg.
This 1, 2, 3, 4 is 3 kg.
How much?
This one,
yes.
8,000.
Okay.
Then this one is Nigeria 5 kg. Why this one is foreign 5 kg?
The Nigeria foreign Nigeria kg is how much?
This one?
Yes.
7,000.
7,000. What about the foreign one?
That one 13,000.
Why foreign there past Nigeria?
That one is foreign now. You know, we Nigeria sometimes we neglect our work or something like that. But we that are selling it, we know that there's no difference. Everything depends the user, how you maintain it. Depends how it will last for you. Someone might buy the Nigeria, it will last more than the foreign. So it is individual differences.
But this foreign is expensive than Nigeria. Why is this?
Because we see it as foreign things now. We see that is the one they import and that kind of a thing. So that's why.
Okay. What about that one?
That one is still 25 kg.
How much?
It's the same price with the other one.
How much is it?
31,000.
31,000. Okay. What about this one?
This one is Belgian cooker.
Belgium
Cooker. Yes.
How do they use themselves?
It's the same thing as we use the new one there. It's the same thing. You just plug your gas here.
Okay. I bet they use the plug
with your host now.
Okay. Bring that one back. Okay, use this thing.
You fill it. This one. You fix it to your big cylinder. That 12 kg or whatever you are using.
Then you plug it.
Then you plug it here.
This is the mat.
This is the mat where you plug your host. Then you socket your host. Why this? You go to the cylinder.
Wow. Yeah. Thank you. Wow. So what about all this your fine pot that is here? They are looking so fine and shining.
We have Nigeria. All these ones are not stick pots. Yeah. Why these ones are Nigeria?
Let's start from here. What am I for this one?
This one It depends the choice now. You know, this one now is 4 sets. We'll have the one of 3 sets. As the sets are differs, so the prices. So
Four set is how much now?
this one now you can get it 40,000.
For the 4 sets.
Yep.
Is it foreign?
Yes, this is foreign pot.
Non-stick.
Yes, non-stick pot.
Wow, very fine. What about the 3 set is how much?
This one you can get it 30,000. Yes.
Is this one and this one, is it the same thing?
No, it's different. As you can see, it's different products. Yes.
Which product is this one now?
We have Desire. Abi? Yeah. This one is Desire.
Okay. How much is this one? This one is fine.
This one is 5. Abi? This one is T4 and it's bigger than this.
Okay, this one is bigger than this. Why this one bigger than this?
They have.
How much is this one?
This one now is 55.
55. Wow. What about this one?
As you can see, like this one now, it has frying pan.
Oh.
You see,
Hold it.
they are.
Wow. Very fine.
This one have frying pan. So you will not expect this one now. Though this one is 3 sets, but it's a little.
Same non-stick.
All of them, all the pot this side is non-stick except that aluminum you are seeing there.
How much is this one?
This one now is 55.
55. That's last price.
Yes.
Okay. What about this one? This is fine.
The same thing.
Same price with this one. What is this one?
This one is shifter. Maybe when you blend something like fruit juice, tiger nut, coconut, then if you want to filter it, you will now use this thing to bring the juice out.
So that pot now, Nigeria pot.
That one is Nigeria towa.
Nigerian.
Towa.
Wow.
So it depends. We'll have 5 sets, we'll have 4 sets, we'll have 3. So
The 3 set is how much?
at least we'll have the one of 6,055.
For the 3 set.
Yes.
What about 4 set?
4 sets, we'll have the one of 12,000, 13,000. It depends.
What about 5 sets?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you now. We'll have the one of 13,000.
Okay. So I do this fine cake today. Are so beautiful.
Yep.
This one is how much?
And that one is 12,000.
10,000.
Yes, the same thing.
What about this one?
That one is 13.
13,000.
Yes, they are different sizes. We have 5 liters. We have 4. That one is 5.
5 liters.
Why that other one is 4.5? This one is 4.
How much for this one, sir?
This one is 12,000.
12,000 for the 4 liters. What
Yes.
about this one?
That one is 15.
15,000. How many liters is that?
That one is 6.
6 liters.
Yes.
So all this, come and see this plate. Is this one plate or be what?
That one is plate rack. When you wash your plate, you set it here to dry.
How much is
This one, 8,000. You can get that one. We still have cheaper one. We have the ones of 6,000. We have the ones of 5,000. It depends as your pocket.
Okay, this one, so now be this one.
Yes.
So for what?
This spoon now is meant for all these pots. You can't use all this kind of spoon for that pot. It has. You will buy the spoon. So that's it. All those things is set. Just that the rope cut. So as you are buying the pot, you buy this thing set. Everything is complete. Because how many of this one? It's 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, how much is that 6?
We have the one of 6,000, 5,000, 8,000. It depends, you know, it's different company, different product. So that one is shrimp. Use it to serve your food.
How much is that one?
This one, 3,000. Sorry, this one is 5,000. Why that one is 3,000? That one is 2,500. That one 3,000.
What about that 5 people?
That one is 4,500.
That's 500. Is that the last price?
Yep.
What about your plates?
The plate is inside.
Okay, inside.
Yep.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, my brother. We see the Agbado market. We see find out the price of how they sell their spoon, gas, and pots. I beg. Oh, see, they see one big pot. Now that one is it they cook party food. All this one, not basically they cook party food.
It depends now.
How much for this one? This one big oh.
That one, the single one or the set?
Okay, one single one is how much?
That one is 15,000.
How many are inside?
No, you know, as it is now, it's set 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So one of this one now is 15,000. This bigger one.
Only one pot is.
Yes, now. As you can see, as you can see the size now. As you can see, it's big now. At least this one now, about 2 rubber of rice can enter there.
Okay, this one for 2 rubber of rice. What about how much for this one?
This one is a little bit, little different.
Okay, wait. So a set of this one is how much?
A set of this one, let me say 35.
35. What about this one?
This one, these two now, is 37,000. The difference is not much. Yes, as in these sizes is not much.
But this one is just 2 set.
Yes.
How much is it?
It's still we sold one. It depends, as the case may be. The person might come and say, I need only one. Then you will say one. Some person may come and say, I need set, the complete set, whether 3 or 4. So that's how we say.
This one still fine, no?
How much for this one? That one is 20,000.
For only one pot?
Yes.
20,000?
Yes, now.
Wow. This one not come with the set, I've been only one.
No, it come with set, but we have retail it remain only this one. Then these are the 1, 2, 3 is that is 15,000.
15,000 last. Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Okay, my brother, we see the Agbado market. Once you go, they find, ask 1 or 2 people how they say they sell their gas, their pots, their plates. I beg if you never subscribe, try me subscribe. And our price matter we dey talk about. This one I do still market blog. Thanks for watching. Oh, babe. That's you fine.
Thank you. I'm fine.
Hey, God, how much you sell your pot?
Which one is size? 25.
Now this one they sell party food. And this one they cook party food.
Yes.
Why big go? How much you fell before?
I've been managing for 24 for you.
24. That's the last price.
Yes.
Now it big. How many kg be this one?
Kg. If you contain 5 kg or 4 kg.
Sorry, this is not kg. This one not the kg.
Okay.
This one, how much are these big pots? This one are sizes.
Okay. If the get size, I be.
Yes.
Now the biggest size.
Yeah, roll up.
Now this one be the biggest size.
Yes.
Now the last price be that.
Yes.
What about the other second one?
That one 22.
22,000.
Yes.
The down one, you know where they down?
The same amount.
But this one big part the other one now.
Yes.
If not the same amount.
Yes.
What about those one? That one I said. This set.
This set. That one 25 or 30.
For the 3.
Yes, 30 and last price 25.
Wow. Interesting. All these 5 fry pan with the here.
This one 9,000.
9,000 for only one.
Yes.
This one for
8,000. Yes.
What about that one? We know that's stainless. So.
Stainless. 1.5.
1.5. This one I waiting. What do you use this on table?
They actually connect with a hair cylinder. Yes.
How much for that big cylinder? How much is it?
That one 19.5. Yes.
How many kg be that?
9.
That one not fit be 9 kg now. Or 9 kg be that? 9 kg big go. 12 kg. Yeah. Okay. God. What about this small pot they said?
This one 6.5.
For the 3.
Yes.
The same price with that one.
Yes.
What about the third one?
That one
That
7.
7,000.
Yes.
Last price.
Yes.
No wahala. Thank you. You know they sell plates. Where do they sell plates for here?
No, outside.
When they sell plates, I beg. Move, go. For this one.
This one.
The 3 sets.
The 3 sets. The 3 sets go be 30. Yes.
30,000.
Yes.
One how much?
One at 12.
12,000. Now the same thing with this one.
Yes, na the same
30,000.
the same things.
One is how much? 12,000.
12.
What about this big basin?
Big baby. This one na 7.
7,000 for one.
Yes.
This one and this one are the same.
No.
How much for this one?
This one na 6.
6,000.
Yes.
What about this kit?
225.
2,500.
Yes.
This small one. Then?
225 na the same thing.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this one big pass this one.
Yes, now.
This one na 25. This one na
Which one they say 1.5 for this?
625. 63,000. Sorry to say.
Okay,
So you just sell this big one for 1.5?
No, sir.
Ah.
Yeah.
Nice now.
so
Why is it like that?
Na so they take buy and come for market too.
How much did they sell her last week?
Last week fit be 15 now.
1.5.
Yes, now.
This week it got be 2.5.
Yes. So
Why be like
as
that?
the way they bring, na so they put price for market.
All this spoon wey come like wetin dey first water come.
All this food now 1,000 but 800 naira last.
1,800.
No, 1,800 last.
1,000.
okay, 800 last.
Yes.
What about this one?
This one na 15.
For one.
Yes.
Why this one dear pass this one?
Na so we see am.
This one go.
Na so the same things.
I see spoon wey be set for here. Oh. Come see am. This set spoon, so see am. This one. How much for this one?
This one
Even come with spoon, oh. With the knife, I mean.
yes.
How much for this one?
This one na 9,000.
9,000.
Yes.
The same price with this one.
Yes, na the same
How
thing.
much you felt before?
Before it will be 7,500 or 7,000.
What's it called make am come there? We have been now they add every day.
No, na the way they take buy am for market na so.
Na got to the same.
Yes.
Okay. Oh well, thank you very much. My sister, my brother, now they hear and they say now the way their spoon, the pot they say now the way they take buy am. Now make now price matter we see they talk about. This one I do stay market blog. If you never subscribe, try when you subscribe. Thank you. My people, we see the Agbado market. Now. We want to know how much they sell their gas, they sell their microwave, they sell their oven. I beg if you never watch, if you never subscribe, try me you subscribe and follow. This one I do stay market blog. And our price matter, we see they talk about. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
That's fine.
Thank you.
How much is it? What's with this one?
This one grander now.
Granda. How much?
This one 3.5.
3.5. What about this one?
This one is 2.5.
This one is 2.5. Yeah. This one big for this one.
Big puzzle.
This one how much you talk?
This one the small one now. This one the 2.5.
Okay, now this one a small one. 2.5.
This
Why
one
this one
3.5.
3.5.
Yes.
Why is it like that?
No, so market be now.
Okay, this one they use sand to the ground.
This one
for you to pluck and for engine
Yes,
or
this
any
one
other
manual now.
manual.
Yes.
Use until they do it like this.
Yes.
Okay, sharp. This one I see the same price.
This one small. I see the same price.
What about this one?
Now see the same price.
Okay, now see 2.5.
Yes.
Okay. What about this one?
This one is 45,000 naira.
For just one.
Yes.
For how many? 4 with
4 mats.
4 mats.
Yes.
45.
Yes.
This one, what is this one?
This one 3 mats. 40 last.
40 last.
Yes.
Okay.
This one microwave.
Now foreign, I been Nigeria.
Na Nigeria na.
Nigeria microwave. This one. Nigeria still get microwave.
This one Belgium.
Okay, Belgium. How much for that one?
This one 50.
This one, uncle.
The same price.
The last one, uncle.
This one will not. This one just
Okay,
to
example.
put an example.
But if you like say this one big part this one. Why not?
Now depend on the quality now.
So this one better part this one.
Yes.
Okay. What about this fine one? Where they here, sir?
This one gas 2 mats of gas 35,000 naira.
35.
Yes.
This one a microwave.
This one oven.
Oven.
55,000.
What do they feel this one do? They dry this and dry.
Bake cake now. Do anything bakeable.
This must use a bake cake.
There is a bake cake now. Just to put your this thing for your baker.
Fine. How much you talk?
55,000.
Last price.
50.
50 last.
Yes.
This one, uncle?
This one I just sample. Yes.
Okay. I dey see fine things for inside. How many mats is this one?
This one 3 mats.
How much?
45.
This one, uncle?
The same.
Same price.
Yes. This one 2 mats.
Okay,
40 last.
40,000.
From go up. That one way they up now be micro the oven gas.
We still get oven gas.
Yeah, nah.
Wow, Nigeria get better things so. Oven gas.
45.
Wetin they use am do? They use am till they bake, use am till they cook.
This one until they dry your meat, fish, anyone.
Okay, this one na just dry, anything dry, use am till dry. Wow, interesting. How much you talk?
40 last. 35. Now 2 mats now.
2 gas.
Yes. 25. 25.
Okay, this one is 25.
Yes.
This one na plates.
No, this one are cartons. The pots dey that side.
Okay, the pot dey that side.
This one are 4 mats gas.
This one fine. How you be like this thing?
Square.
How much be this one?
This one are 45.
Everything for here 45, 40. Why is it there like that?
And so it be. Now so market be now.
This one are the same thing.
Now the same price.
And the same price.
Only this.
But I be like say this one big pass this one.
Now the wideness now differentiate them now.
You know the same price.
Now the same price.
This one call
Now the same price. Now still 4 mats.
4 months. How much?
45.
No, well, I'm mostly check inside. Okay. You see, they find out the price of gas, oven, microwave. They say why the thing they there now. The way they take buy am for that side. Now make the thing there. I beg my brothers and sisters, if you never subscribe, try me you subscribe. And our price matter. Now we see they talk about this on Edo State Market blog. Thanks for the time viewing. And they see fine plates for here. This one are plate section. I'll be waiting. This one fine. How much for this one?
400.
For one.
For what? 400 naira.
For one.
A set now much.
We know the sets.
Okay, now let one and they say. Okay, what about this one?
300 for that one.
300 for only one. They are the same thing with this one. The same thing with this one.
Yes.
Okay, now let place one and get that.
We still have other carton plates.
How much for carton? In a plate for carton, how much?
It depends on the one you want. Oh, no, be the same
Show me that
price.
one later. See this pot. Why I be like this? How much for this one?
That one is 8,000.
8,000 last price. How much if you be before?
Before na set.
Before na set.
Na set like this.
Okay. How much for the set now? How much na the set?
For the set na 35.
How many?
7 sets.
7. 7 sets.
As in 7 pots.
That is how much?
35.
It's cheap. What about this one?
That one 50.
For the 3, for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 50,000. What about this one?
That be the 35.
Okay, now this one be the 35.
But this one I would also say 1 out of 1. So now
Okay.
6. Okay.
This one. Now this one they call non-stick.
Yes.
How much for this one?
45.
This one come with both fry
pan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6,000. Now that is how much?
45.
How much for one? Single one?
We don't say single.
You not say single. Where?
Because now set, now if we say single, we will buy the remaining one.
Nobody will give that. What about that kettle? Wait, fine. For up. How much for that kettle?
That kettle for up na bejo.
With the plug and
No, na normal gas kettle.
gas kettle. That one dey inside carton for
This one na 15.
15,000.
The why this one na 16.
The up one how much?
Na the up one na be the bejo wey I dey talk.
How much?
The bejo na 12,000.
12,000. Why this one? The carton one how much?
15.
That one na electric.
Electric.
Electric kettle. Wow. The second one for
16.
16,000. What? And I see big. This one na pot have been a kettle.
Blender.
Okay, blender. Wow. How many dey inside?
Else two now. The small one and the big one.
The small one, the few that they blend.
Those dry like egusi, ogbono, groundnut.
Why the big one? What's the
Huh?
The big one.
The big one they grind tomatoes, they grind beans, they grind fruit,
The ground seeds.
anything grindable.
Let's do this one.
For plates.
This is how they put plates.
That one has shade. So now 7.5. 8,000 naira.
Okay. This one's on 8,000. This one's how much?
7,500.
This one for
7,000.
this one for
This one at 15. This one at 20.
15. Okay, this one big bag. This one.
Big pad. This one I just 1, 2. This one at 3.
Okay, this one.
1, 2, 3. That one 150.
How much $1? 150. 150 naira. Okay, 100 naira.
I'm a TV show.
Where's this one called? Gas.
This one 20,000 naira because na hot plate you get.
Okay, hot plates. You dey pluck am.
No, na see as it dey light like hot plate.
Okay. So there is difference between this one and this one. This one na wetin dey call am?
So na normal fire gas now.
Fire gas. This one na hot plate.
This one, if you want na just plain blue.
plain blue.
So they be like you call the red like if you plug hot plate.
This one. What the bigger that light? Okay. How much for this one?
So na 18.
Why this one how much?
So na 20.
This one na still the same price.
This one na 17.
17. This one better pass this one. How much for this? How much?
So na 18.
18. Why this one 17?
Na the quality now.
If I want bear now, which one go good? Which one be better one?
Oh, na better one. Na your choice now. Na some money to carry.
This one take carton for?
Empty.
Empty carton. Okay. Check inside. Check your blender. See all this 5 play where they fell to bed that time. Now like this, now they sell them. Now one.
They say they're pieces.
A pieces, which is 1. How much for one?
This one are 900.
Okay. This flat one are 900. What about this one?
This one are 700.
What last? Last
600.
price? 600 last. Okay, this fine one call.
How
much you sell for this one? Sure.
700.
For just one. Now they say 3 set, that be 4 set. Now just single one that they say. The one at 700. Yes. So this one single one at 900. What about this one?
This one at 700.
For just one. This one call
700.
for just one.
That's the list price.
Yes.
The complete set is that go with the times 12 or times 24.
Wow, this one fine no. This one if you put a bar here, put stew here, put akpu, put egusi, abi. How much be this one?
800.
800. Last.
800.
800 last. Wow. What about this one?
So na 3,000 naira.
For one. There, why is it like this?
Now the price that they give us that now.
How much you fell be before?
Before we dey sell am 2,500.
But this one a glass cup. How much for one?
One at 5,000.
5,000. How many days inside?
For the 6.
Okay, now 6 days inside. The 6 now much?
5,000.
5,000.
But all no be the same price.
This one how much?
This one is still 5,000, 5,000, 5,000.
Okay. This small one go.
5,000.
But this carton small now.
Okay, this one at 4,000 naira.
4,000. Okay, for that small one. Why
for
this
the
one
3.
5,000? Okay, now let's 3 days inside.
Okay,
this one 6 days
6.
inside. Wow, interesting. This one
This one at 6,000 naira.
how many days inside?
That's still 6.
6. This one go
5,000.
5,000. How many days inside?
6.
6. Okay. What about this one?
So now small wine,
Wine
hot
glass.
drink.
How much?
Na 6,000.
How many days inside?
6.
6. Okay, what about this blender?
So na fruit.
How many days inside?
Na 2.
2.
But mostly this one are for fruit sha. But they still take a blend tomatoes.
You see they use and blend tomato. Okay, which one they do? So they blend all those crayfish, pepper.
You get her now?
Okay, the small one. You used to they blend all those dried.
Yes, all those dry things.
Why this one for liquid something? Okay. How much you talk?
This one are 15.
15,000. So now.
This one are 20,000 naira.
Nasi blender.
Na blender because this one the ground beans.
Wow, this one the ground beans. But this one not the ground beans.
No.
Okay, now
This one's not the ground beans.
Oh, this one not the ground beans. How much for this one?
So now 12.
12,000. Now the same thing with this one.
12,
What
12.
about this one?
15, 15.
15,000. This one the great, this one the ground.
This one still the ground normal as this one.
Okay. Why this on the ground beans?
This one the ground beans, the ground tomatoes. Anything grindable, this one the grinder.
How much you talk?
20.
And the same thing with this one.
But this one the ground beans.
Okay, this one not the ground beans. Now let tomato juice.
You can grind any other thing, but not beans.
So, electric kettle be normal kettle.
The market empty.
This one a set of pots. For this carton, how much?
Now this carton be the pot that 50,000 naira already outside. I show you just now that 4 sets.
Okay, this one 1, 2, 3, 4. How much? 50,000. What could be this one with the shine like this? Empty. Okay.
Now let this one's 90 is different.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. In many for inside, this one will heavy like this.
This one 10.
10 plates inside.
Like 2 of this, 2 of this, 2 of this, 2 of this, 2 of this inside.
Everything 2.
Yes.
Like 2 cups, 2 small plates, flat plates, 2 normal plates, 2 this. How
Yes.
much?
10,000.
10,000.
But why this one is 16? This one is 16.
16,000. Everything the same 2. 2 inside.
2 inside, but there are 16 pieces inside.
16 pieces.
Why this one is 10?
10 pieces. Okay, look at it. This one is 10 pieces. How much?
10,000.
10,000. This one is 16 pieces. How much?
13,000.
30,000. This one 10 pieces. How much?
The same price.
Same thing with this one. What about this one?
This one is 11,500.
11,500. 12
This
pieces.
12 pieces.
This one called. Now let one the day inside. I've been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the day inside.
6. They are the ones outside.
Okay. How much for that 6?
We don't sell a carton.
Okay, just single one. Alright, no wahala. This one called. It's fine no. This one
This one is 4,500.
my last. How much did you pay before?
4,000.
4,000 last. Now I can't see add. No.
Now they had for that side. We had that one for you.
What I go the add? Now supposed to sell on the way na take buy am now. I be not.
I don't say buy. I would say they sell on.
That's all now. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Let's say your shop fine no.
Thank
this
you.
fine pot with the so.
Thank you, ma.
How much for this one? This one so.
Like this one now, it's called the marble pot. Like this one now is 85,000. Why the it's 5 sets with frying pan. It has a frying pan. Like that brown one now. That one is 120,000. Yes, sir.
But not fair be like this before now.
You know, probably like this before. Before that time, this one 70,000. Now once it take go up. Why this one 45,000? Now once it take go up.
This one come with fry pan. What about
all
the
of them? No, kettle no joy.
Okay, how much for that kettle?
Like this kettle now 16,500
For one.
for one.
This one so now they sell single one.
No, they sell single one.
Just they sell.
But this one we sell single ones.
Okay, now this one they sell single.
Yes.
What about this one?
They are the same thing. This line a marble pot. Why this one a non-stick?
Is it the
Black.
same price?
Not. They're not the same price.
How much for this one?
Like this one now is 95 as well. This one is 120.
Okay, this one 120, this one
120. Yes. That black one. That one is 80,000.
80,000. Last
Yes.
price.
Yes.
Okay. That set, we don't sell single one.
No, don't sell single
The
ones.
set.
Set, yes.
Okay, what about this one?
We sell single, we sell a set as well.
Okay, how much for the set?
Like this set now is 55,000.
How many?
Is 5.
5. Is it both fry with fry pan?
This one come with some. They came with frying pan, so it did not come with frying pan. But this one, there's no frying pan on it.
Okay, how many are there?
It's 5.
How much for the 5?
This 5 is a 55,000
55.
minus this frying pan.
Okay, if you want to sell single one, is how much?
If I want to sell single one now, maybe like from this one now, is 6,000 naira.
Okay, for the
one, yes.
This one is fine.
This one is frying pan.
How much?
It has. This one is 10,000 naira.
Last price?
Yes.
How much
it has
did that be
cover.
before?
Before now 5,000.
But no.
Now 10,000. Market now times 2 times 2.
Wow. What about this one?
Like this one are 75,000. Big ones, yes.
Okay, this one are big
It's
one.
big ones.
Non-stick.
Yes, family use.
Family use.
Yes.
Now this one they use for all those big man house.
Big man has the same thing with this one. This one is mommy spot.
Oh.
This one is 5 sets.
How much for that one?
This one is 55,000. 55.
Okay, 55.
Yes.
To be said.
No, 5.
5 sets.
It's thick.
What about both the fry pan?
They are the same thing with this one.
Okay. What about this plate?
Like this plate now, this is a white plate. Like this one, all those big men that they eat because they like something quality and good. This one is 2,500 for one.
For only one.
For only one, no.
A set is how much?
Maybe set. Then you times it now. Like this one now. This one is 1,000 naira.
For one.
For one. Like this one now. This one is 700.
700 for one.
For one.
And I know they sell a set.
A set now dozen.
Dozen. How many do inside?
Maybe a dozen price now. Like this one for dozen price. This one is 12,000 naira for dozen.
How many? How many go there inside?
12.
12. Okay. This one called the same 12.
This one for dozen 8,400.
Okay. The same 12.
Yeah, the same 12.
Alright. So bad this one.
Then this tray pan, they call it a ceramic tray. This ceramic tray now one like this 4,500. Depends. It depends how it take thick reach. You have light one, you have a thick one.
The light one is how much?
The light one 2,500, 3,000. But people prefer the one that has weight. Yes, that is thick. This one is a quality stainless tray. It's thick one.
How much?
Like this one is 5,000 naira.
Okay, people don't sell a set.
No, don't sell sets.
Just single.
Yes,
one.
single
one
ones.
is how much?
Single one will sell 5,500. Will sell 4,000.
This one and this one is not the same.
They are not the same thing.
So this small one is how much?
This small one is 3,500.
This
This one is 4,500. This one is 5,000.
I did see something fake. What about
set of a breakable plate? The cheapest one is how much?
The cheaper broken plate one is 500. We sell in cartons.
the carton is how much?
The carton is 7,500.
That's the last price.
Yes, that's the last price.
The high quality breakable plate.
That is this one now.
Breakable plate.
Breaking plate 2,500 per one.
flat one.
Flat one. Look at like this one now. This one is flat one.
The high
2,000 high quality one. 2,500 per one.
quality, the dozen.
The dozen it comes with it's many in cartons. Carton 45,000, 33,000 for carton.
Now, how many is inside?
Some are 65, some 45. Depends, yes. So,
What about this one? What is this one?
now they call it silicone spoons for this marble pot. And non-stick pot.
We don't normally use all those
No,
cup spoon to.
no. This is a non-stick spoon for non-stick pot as well. So it will make the pot not to have a scratch, not to peel the pot. When you use this spoon, yes.
How many? How much for one?
Like this is 13,500.
It said everything.
It's everything is inside.
People don't sell single one.
No, don't say single.
Just a set.
Just with the cup.
This one.
This one is glass. It's a glass tabletop. That's a glass table gas. This one is very easy to maintain. Once you just cook, you just clean it. This one now, we have the one of 25,000, but this particular one is 22,000 naira last. This one is a black, not a glass. This one is 18,000 naira. Look at the cheapest. This one is 13,500.
Last price.
Yes, last price.
What is this one?
This one they call it a toaster. This is 4-in-1 toaster.
Okay. It's 4 that is inside one carton.
It's not 4. That is the
Okay.
demarcation is 4. 4-in-1 they call it.
How much is that?
This one is 18,000.
Last price.
Last
How
price.
much did that be before?
Before na 10,000.
But no.
Na times 2.
This one are waiting.
This one is hot plate. Pyramid hot plate.
Electric cooker.
Electric cooker, new one
For bachelor.
for bachelor.
How much?
7,000 naira.
Last.
Yes, sir.
How much before?
Before na 5,000.
No.
7,000.
Why be like that?
Now as we see things now, everything too dear. Customers they complain. We they sell, they complain.
What is the cost on that?
Now the hardship now. Now hardship. No
All
money.
this man cool, uncle.
Mommy, come up. Good afternoon.
My people, now well done. Thank you for the time viewing. I bet we see the Agbado market like this, so to see find out how they say they sell their pot, how they say they sell their gas, their spoon, and all that. I beg if you never subscribe, try me you subscribe and follow us. This one Edo State Market blog and our price matter. Now we see they talk about. I beg try me you subscribe. Subscribe. Wait till they just subscribe. Just press only that small button. Thank you very much. My people, Now well done. No, I take greet now for the time when I the viewers like this. So we see the Agbado market to find out price of things. And they said their pots, and they see 5 pots. I mean no how much. So now like now today, so when I go see no how much. I mean go see no how much they sell pots, they sell gas, they sell all these cylinders. I beg, if you never subscribe, try me make you subscribe. And now price matter, we see they talk about. Mommy, you fine, no? Mommy, yeah, my baby, my baby.
This one they hear me.
Mommy, I'm market today now.
Thank God.
Well, Mama, this pot just fine. How much you say they sell this one so?
This one is 45,000.
45. Mommy, shift to me. 45 for a set.
Yes.
This one come with fry pan. No?
Yes, this one is 5 set with frying pan.
5 set with fry pan.
Yes.
That's how much?
The price, last price is 40,000. 40,000.
Okay, last price 40,000.
Yes.
Wow. Try you. Did they sell single one?
No, it's set.
A set. What about this color one?
Okay, this one is 30,000.
30,000. Now just to be said.
Yes.
Last price. How much if be before?
This one?
This one.
Before is 24, 25.
But no.
Yes.
So now every day thing they go up.
Everything is going up.
What about this one? Funny, get two colors.
Yes, that one is 3 set with frying pan, but big set.
Big set.
Yes. This one is 38,000.
38,000. This one there part this one.
Yeah, this one there. This one is 40,000. Okay. This one is small set. Okay. But this one is big set with frying pan.
Okay. 38,000.
Yes.
Last price.
That is the price. The kettle. Yes. The kettle is 6.5.
6.5 last. How much the kettle fair be before? They say kettle know the dear, kettle know the dear.
Before is 5.5.
5.5. But now it's 6,000.
6,000.
Now you only 500. When I go see add the 500, I mean now you add people see add that.
Now it's 6.5. Before is 5.5. Now you add 1,000.
1,000. This one go. Stainless.
This one tornado.
Tornado
pot.
Tornado pot.
Tornado. See the listing. Tornado pot.
Okay, the name.
The name of the pot.
Okay. How much?
This one, the set. This one usually come in 7 sets.
7 sets.
That 7 set is 30,000.
30,000.
Yes.
Okay. This one is 5 now, mommy.
No, I just set it like this, but it usually come in 7 sets.
7 sets.
Yes.
They used to sell single one. They don't sell single.
Single. We used to sell single.
How much for single one?
Single one like this one now is 7,000 for one. This one 5,000. This one 4,000.
What about this small one?
This one 2,000 last price.
This one, if it's a cook boy, one indomie, I'll be one for rice.
Yes, now.
This one are the same thing with this one.
No, this one is Towa. Mama Chef.
Mama Chef. Towa, Mama Chef.
Yeah.
How much for this one?
This one is 22,000.
But this one, if it's the same single one.
No, this one is set.
A set. That is set now 22,000. Last price
is 20,000.
20,000 last price. But before if I be like okay 15.
The 17,000 before.
17,000 before. But now 20.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, mommy.
No,
mommy.
They don't put me for television. May they hear.
They won't hear. They don't put it for television.
I don't want to see myself for television.
Okay. Mommy, see all this place. It get weight too.
It's just like a breakable plate. So no, it's not breakable plate anyway. It's ceramic. See, this one is breakable.
This one is breakable plate.
Yes.
Why this one is which one?
Ceramic.
Ceramic. How much for this one?
This one is 700 for one.
Did they sell single one? Did they sell a set?
Single one.
No, they sell. I know they sell a set.
No, anyone you want. If you want one, you can buy 1 or 2. Any.
But one is 700.
Yes.
And the flat plate be this one.
This one is 800.
800 for one. Where is breakable one? Is
800.
If I want to buy like carton, how many do they inside carton?
This one is 15 carton.
15 carton. That 50 is how much?
No, you can calculate it now.
Okay. This one,
This one is 800. This one 1-2.
Where is the cheapest breakable plate? Cheapest plate?
The cheapest breakable plate.
Yes. Mommy wants to show the cheapest breakable plates. Okay.
250.
250 naira. The cheapest one.
Cheapest one.
Wow. What about this one?
That one is 700.
700. Okay.
It's okay now.
Mommy, what about this one?
This one is 700
For one.
for one. The cheapest of all these ones. Now this type. And that one for 400 per one.
When you see fine kettle for you, like this one.
Like this one now. I think something there.
No, you only buy, you also
No.
how much for
This kettle now is 13,000.
For kettle?
For
Now electric.
no, see electric.
That electric now
14,000.
14,000. This one now gas one.
Yes, now that's one.
What about this one?
Now knife and chopping board.
How much for that one? Sir?
That one is 7.5.
This thing fine no. Why this color you be like this? This one na glass oh.
It's glass.
How much, mommy?
It's glass. This one 16,000.
Glass. How much if you but it not fair be like this before now?
Before it's 12,000. I'll meet customer. I think.
Mommy, thank you very much. We really appreciate. We appreciate. Thank you very much. You see the Agbado market or to see find out the price of things that they said they are on. I bet if you never subscribe, try when you subscribe and follow us. Thank you.